The Bird Hunter's Prayer by Dr. Tom Rakow. Adapted from the book Devotions for Bird Hunters, published by and available through Rock Dove Publications. The Bird Hunter's Prayer. No collection of coveys or flocks far above
Don't stop, keeper.
can convey the height of your glory nor the extent of your love. The ring-necked rooster with rainbow on wing, the turkey and strut both speak of their king. The gobble, the cackle, the mourning dove coo, the honking
Don't stop, keeper.
and drumming all come from you. O Lord, keep me from false calls and all evil decoys, the snare of the fowler, the one who destroys. Jesus, make me your stylish pointer and use me to faithfully retrieve those who are yet lost and still need to believe.